Hello guys.
Hi.
Yeah.
Vivian here, Pelumi. We are
Vibesn'Variables.
first chapter, first episode of Vibes and Variables. So we are beginners into tech, right?
No.
Why are you being a coach now? Let's do this one. Wait, come to this. So we are going to take you guys into our learning process.
So what did we start? We are basically in A.I.I.T.I.
Yeah, well, in A.I.I.T.I. Full meaning of A.I.I.T.I. again.
NGO to help people like
The
us
youths, the younger ones to
go into programming
and
as a
they're
whole.
making it very easy for us
Yes.
actually.
Easiest learning you can actually get so far. What I got it. Because me, I was very adamant on not learning how to code. Until they confused me. My
So
brother
how far has it been?
if you see me say, I don't even feel like tech bro. After 9 weeks of
It's
Python.
been nice. Like, imagine we spent 9 weeks in Python classes and back to back. Trust me, Pelumi has been going back to back. Sometimes I'm like, my nigga,
I beg.
don't do I beg, yeah. Just accept your flower the way it comes.
I beg you.
So yeah. But he's getting better. I mean, can you imagine we started with Python? If it's some other people, they'll say start with HTML, start with CSS, but we started with Python for some very, very good reason. We were able to catch up with Python. So what have we learned in Python? We learned
Basics.
just the basic functions,
Input, for loop, while loop, methods,
method of
list.
strings, method in list, method in dictionary, the list dictionary strings.
When you have a class and we're doing this video.
No, we are on break, so we're going to be doing most of our videos in on break or before class or after class, but we just, we're going to be sharp, put everything together.
We are yet to determine our schedule, what we'll be talking about. But this is just basically an intro. So we know we started Vibesn'Variables officially.
After 2 weeks of planning, guys. After 2 weeks of planning, like, whoa, we've been going back and forth. We've been like, what are we going to do? We've not actually had a proper map out for what we're going to do. But we definitely know by time goes on, we'll figure it out, we'll get to do our thing, and yeah.
So our channels, you see Vibesn'Variables. I'll put up the link once this video is going out. The links will be up.
So we'll be posting daily. Weekly. Sorry, I just said that. We're posting weekly, and yeah.
So we are back.
Hi.
The blood of Jesus Christ. You can't know.
I'm not going to lie. Like, the headache was crazy. Anyways, today we learned about CSS.
As simple as it is, blood of Christ.
It's not that hard.
This is too much.
It's not that hard.
Too much. What they call it? There's div. There's what they call it.
There's padding. There's margin. There's text align. There's text decoration. There's a lot of things. And funny enough, we can do a lot with HTML and just CSS alone. That way, there's a lot of things. But I know, but still, we can do a lot, but let's not lie, let's not see.
I think we should show our assignment after we are done with it,
Okay, fair. So I'm going to show you guys the assignment because they do give us assignments. But this assignment, CSS assignment wasn't that tough as Python used to be.
Python is just logical. This CSS, I think I will stick with what
being logical.
Yes.
So that you're sticking with being like, okay, you want to be the backend nigga. It doesn't matter. I mean, I want to stick with all. Okay.
Is there I want to stick with all? Now everybody in this.
Please, anywhere. I don't mind. I can stick with all. So
I think we need to talk about the previous ones we learned from Python because we're done with Python classes.
Yeah, we done last week.
We need to still keep updating. Like I said, we are still testing out patterns we want to use. So time has gone.
This is 5:30.
31.
Oh yeah. So we're going to see you guys.
Same time next week. No, same time, but we go see next
week. We'll go see next week, Sha. But just enjoy this from us. Bye.
408 MB.